This video is to explain number 4 on the metric conversion task cards. Number 4 is 5,400 centimeters equals blank millimeters. In this problem, we must remind ourselves of the King Henry sentence that includes and helps us memorize all of the prefixes involved in the metric system. And that in this memorization, you understand that our metric system is modeled after our base 10 numeral system, where this place value, just like in our numbers, is 10 times larger than this place value, and this place value is 10 times smaller than this place value. Or if you do 2 jumps away, or 2 place values away, then this is 100 times larger than this place value, and this place value is 100 times smaller than this place value. So it makes converting in the metric system very easy because it is so similar to our base 10 numeral system. So when you take a look at the problem 5,400 centimeters equals blank millimeters, you know you're dealing with linear measurement or length, and so your base unit is going to be meters because you see this base unit here next to these different prefixes. So our base unit is meters. That means all these prefixes need to be attached to the base unit, which is meters. So you say your sentence, fill out your chart. King Henry doesn't usually, the base unit is meters, drink chocolate milk. So we've got meters attached to all these prefixes. So we're going to start on centimeters right here, because this is our first unit of measure that they gave us. And we're going to move to millimeters. And this is where we're going to end. So in this case, since we know that these are the larger unit of measures and these are the smaller, we know we're going from a large unit or a big to small, because this place value is larger than this place value if this was a whole number that we wrote out. So we know we're going from big to small. Big to small, we learned in class, means multiply all. The question is, multiply by what? Well, since we're going from centimeters to millimeters and it's one place value away, we're going to multiply by 10 to the first power. Or we're going to multiply by 10. So if we take our original decimal, 54 hundredths, and multiply that by 10, we want each of the digits to become 10 times larger than they were previously. When the digits become 10 times larger, then the digits shift to the left, and we can think about what happens to the decimal. The decimal then moves one place value to the right. Just like our arrow in our metric conversion chart went 1 to the right, our decimal went 1 place value to the right. So 0.54 or 54 hundredths times 10 is the same as 5 and 4 tenths. So 5,400 centimeters equals 5 and 4 tenths millimeters, because we went from centimeters, which was a big unit, to a small. That means we multiply, and we're moving the decimal 1 place value to the right. So it used to be here, 54 hundredths. The decimal moves to go in between the 5 and the 4 for a final answer of 5 and 4 tenths millimeters.